Hi, did you guys see my new neighbor, Rahul, at school? My mom said we should help him make new friends and feel comfortable in a new school.
Making new friends can be quite uncomfortable and complicated, especially when we go to recess and lunch.
Friendship can be tricky. I noticed the girls in our class are not getting along. Instead of using kind words, they are saying mean things. Maybe we can help Rahul make new friends, and we can help everyone be a good friend.
When we have friendship problems, we may feel stressed or worried. Then our brain's amygdala takes over. Remember when we learned that our amygdala doesn't know the difference between a bear or when we are really upset? When our amygdala is in control, we may react or say something we regret.
So true. Also, if I were to put myself in Rahul's shoes, I would feel nervous about not knowing anyone at a new school. When I am really nervous or anxious, I take slow, deep breaths so my amygdala can calm down. We may need to show him that trick. Let's look in the vision goggles to see what we can do to help Rahul make friends.
I just saw the day we met Rahul. I also saw the friendship algorithm I've been wanting to show you guys. I'll get it out. It is a simple list of steps to make a new friend.
Cool. Is that the algorithm? I remember the day we met Rahul. It was in the park. He told me that he thought you were both so nice.
I thought Rahul was nice too. He's going to make a lot of friends.
So I want to show you how to use the friendship algorithm. You will begin in the blue oval. When you are ready to make a friend, you start with hello. From there, you will need to determine what you and the other person have in common. Then you move down to yellow. Did you make a connection? Meaning, do you have similar interests or find yourself saying, "Me too"? If yes, move to the right and make plans. If no, you will need to try again. This can be with a new friend, or you can see if you have other things in common. Or you can share an experience, like when you were in the same class. After you make a connection and plans, you will move to the right and begin a new friendship. It is important to have a growth mindset when learning any new process.
Theo, your chart is very nice and a great start to help others with friendship. We can help others by showing them what it is to be a good friend. Don't worry too much about all the steps. Use your heart and show grace. People like it when you care about them. Listening and showing you care will help to make and keep friends.
My advice about friendship is, of course, grit. Sometimes friends disagree. Getting upset with a friend is normal. Remember to show grit and make up when you get upset. Communicate with one another and really listen. Remember what we learned about perspective. Try and see things from their shoes. Rainbow breathing. Find a quiet place to stand or sit, making sure you have room to reach your arms out to either side. Make your back nice and tall. Starting with your hands down by your side, breathe in through your nose as you slowly raise your arms up. 1, 2, 3. Until they are straight over your head. As you lower your arms, let your breath push out of your mouth slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe in through your nose as you bring your arms back up. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out as you bring your arms down. 1, 2, 3. This last time, challenge yourself to make it all the way to 5. Breathe in while you raise your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your mind is ready for learning.